Hey everyone, want to continue our conversation when we're talking about elements of lead time and looking at how that impacts capacity. When we're looking at capacity, what we're looking at is resources needed or what's available for capacity versus the workload needed. So we're going to look at load for a second here. Um, Load is setup time plus runtime or total runtime. And total runtime is the quantity to produce multiplied by the run rate. Now, we want to capture any and all known forms of demand, planned and actual, so I can have a representative look at how much work in a work center there is at one time. So we want to, when we look at all the planned orders, those are coming from typically MRP, and those could be based on schedules, forecast, customer orders, would also include past due orders where they need time on a machine, any rework or scrap we got to redo, work in process. We want to capture all the possible points of demand out there, known and unknown. And it becomes important to capture all these demands because the reality is the demand's going to be there. So you might as well capture it all and be ready. So if we've got samples, if we've got life testing, customers coming in to see us run their production, we're going to a show and we need demonstration parts. We want to capture all those demands because, like I said, they're always going to be there. We can always adjust down a bit in the future if a demand doesn't come to realization, but it's much harder to ramp up in the other direction. So reality can be is to not recognize a demand will put us in an expedite mode. Impact wise, we want to be able to effectively and accurately determine workload and capacity needs for all related resources so we can plan accordingly.